Hello everyone, magandang gabi sa lahat at andito nga po kami ngayon sa hilera ng street food stalls dito sa Alunan Avenue sa Coronadal City, and I used to be eating here, feeding my hungry stomach. Mura po ang pagkain dito at masarap dito after work or after school. Harap lang po ito ng aming sports complex, and actually hindi naman po street food ang andito, variety of food po that you can enjoy sa murang halaga. Surely na-miss ko to pero hindi ko na talaga pwedeng makain to ngayon, but must try if mapadaan kayo dito sa Alunan Avenue or dito sa harap ng sports complex ng Coronadal City sa South Cotabato. May shawarma, may typical na street food like tokneneng, fishball, and the rest of the food na you can enjoy sa murang halaga lang talaga. This is just along Alunan Avenue, isa sa mga main streets ng Coronadal City. This is truly good for barkada, magjowa, or workmates, and even family.